I'd like to take you through a short 10-minute demonstration, showcasing the services we offer and how the features in our digital platform support them. Our fast end-to-end managed hiring solution gives you the benefits of Elbo's digital technology alongside an experienced team of HR, delivery, and technology professionals. Here are the top 5 core elements to the services we provide. Data-driven job specification building to take the pain out of difficult technical roles. Instant algorithmic shortlisting, giving you the best quality candidates in seconds. Digital profiles with integrated psychometrics, simple and easy interview scheduling, and finally offer management once you've found the right candidate. As a managed service, we have also built in some great collaborative workflows to allow you to seamlessly work alongside our team and get the right candidates as quickly as possible. Firstly, I'll take you through the job builder. We will take you or your teams on the ground through our targeted job build process to get the right information in the spec that candidates care about, and that will mean a truly great match to your job. This is even more important as niche digital skill sets and technologies emerge ever faster in the market. It's important to keep the job spec accurate and current, and we do this via a 5-step process. The basics, the specifics, personality preferences, skills, and experience. If you already have a job spec, you can send it to us and we'll use our expertise to build the job for you. You've probably seen a number of these first few sections on other platforms, but when we get to step 3, personality, that's where it gets a little bit different. We specify the personality attributes and behavioral preferences that you are looking for in a candidate for a particular job. And that then feeds our personality profiling and matching algorithms when we look to shortlist candidates in a moment. We also have a comprehensive skills and expertise list driven from our unique data sets. We have an experience requirements section if the candidate you are looking for needs to have very specific experience, from seniority and years experience to culture and team management. Our job specifications are highly targeted as they have been developed using research, looking at what candidates really care about when deciding on their next career move. Once we've worked with you to build the job, this is what it looks like. We can then use our sharing and collaboration tools and workflows to get any more input from you and your teams, and can instantly share it via the buttons here. Elbo allows instant online editing, saving you time, supporting remote working, and more importantly, getting tech and delivery team buy-in. The next stage in the process is shortlisting candidates, and again, this is run as a service, saving you time. Here's a rundown of how it works. Shortlists are created instantly, and I mean instantly, by our algorithms, removing the manual and often time-consuming burden of CV screening. Depending on the number of candidates you'd like to see, we can adjust the search parameters in real time. We can change filters such as availability, salary, and location to show more or fewer matches. This allows us to identify the best candidates available at the time, as well as determine which candidates are truly motivated to find their next role. We can actively market each role as part of the service, and we find the best channels to do so for the requirements of that particular job. We can open and close the flow of applicants here, and in doing so, we can determine those candidates that are highly motivated for that specific role. We also engage candidates as required to discuss the role with them in person. We know automation is great, but hiring is about people, and candidate experience is enhanced when speaking to domain experts like us directly. With Elbo, you get the power of technology we've shown you without losing the human touch, which we understand is really important as a part of any hiring process. Once we've created your long list, we start to filter candidates for you using the remove and pin features until we have the top 3 to 6 candidates, or of course, however many you need for any particular role. Once we are happy with the shortlist and we have reviewed each candidate profile, we share the shortlist with you directly using email workflows and with other members of the team. You can access each candidate profile via a link. So let's take a look at Elbo's unique digital candidate profiles. It is important to note at this stage that every profile is completely objective, so you can understand the detail behind the match. They are created completely out of the context of the job, allowing a true, unbiased representation of the candidate's skills, experience, preferences, and personality, rather than being tailored just to suit your job in the way CVs sometimes are. Our algorithms are also completely unbiased to gender, background, race, and age, or anything else. And candidates can appear on Elbo incognito, giving a truly unbiased representation of them. The first thing you can see on the profile are the match percentages. We show you how much each candidate matches your job in the 4 key areas: skills, preferences, experience, and personality. We can assess the importance of each of these areas for your job, team, and organization. You might, for instance, weight one of these pillars more than any other. You may want a really strong person fit over experience, and so those things can be balanced as required. Another thing that's really unique to Elbo is candidate preferences. We capture very detailed preferences of every candidate, again out of the context of the job, from role to salary, preferred benefits to technology. We ask them what they want in their next role, because the closer it matches to their preferences, the better on-the-job performance we can predict. Our profiles show you more targeted skill sets that often have been generalized on CVs, taking away the need for you to make assumptions about roles, titles, and perhaps projects and activities. This helps us unlock hidden talent pools that you might well have previously overlooked. Candidates have the ability to integrate with other portfolio links. For example, you can access LinkedIn profiles, GitHub links, websites, or design portfolios that enhance the view of the candidate available. We ask candidates for up to 3 tweet-length achievements to save you from sifting through pages of subjective and wordy CVs. Another very unique feature to Elbo are structured references. These are captured up front from previous managers, colleagues, and peers, rather than at the end of the hiring process, so you can see how others have found working with each candidate. We have optional video vitae available too, a 10 to 20 second introduction video to each candidate to get a good sense of in-person communication style. We have this as optional as some organisations we partner with believe this may introduce subconscious bias into the process. Last but not least, we have a full personality report. We know that personality can be a better indicator of performance than just skills and experience. So you can use our personality report to review personality type, strengths, and more. And crucially, use this tool as part of the screening process rather than later in the hiring process after much effort has already gone into qualifying the candidate in other areas. If you like what you see, you can let us know which candidates you'd like to interview, and we'll arrange interviews for you using our automation, saving you time, money, and hassle. Many of the time-saving aspects of Elbo's platform, like this one, mean we can offer much more competitive pricing. We offer neat profile front sheets that you can download and print, suggested interview questions, and scoring sheets to support your interview process. We also have integrated online video rooms, which are secure and accessed via a quick link in the invite specifically for interviewing and hiring remotely. And finally, we have interview scoring forms. Structured interview scoring forms allow you to measure candidates objectively and fairly. An added benefit is that unsuccessful candidates get useful feedback through our automated workflows, particularly around accreditation and/or training. We found that structured feedback is really appreciated by candidates and supports the integrity of your brand. We can issue provisional offers directly to candidates via our in-app feature and use our HR expertise to support the negotiation process, helping you to get the right candidates through the door. Elbo is built differently to any current hiring solution. It's faster and more effective at getting results. And due to the automation workflows and clever features, we believe it's very fairly priced and can offer significant savings as a result. Our trial package costs less than some job board advertising, and you can try the end-to-end service for just £999. To trial the service, do get in touch and we can schedule a further demo, or you can simply send us through a job spec. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the demo and we'd love to hear from you.